guys, Louis Boss here. Today I'm doing a video with Freddie.
Me! Hello!
Okay, so we're going to be doing Try Not to Laugh. There's no point us seeing the screen, so we'll just let you see the screen.
Yeah.
Because we're just doing the one where they laugh. Okay, so ready, 3, 2, 1, go. No, you can't look at the other bed. Actually, you can. No, you can. Okay, we can look at it from here. No, I haven't laughed.
You just laughed!
No, that was fake laugh. That was just... It's the one...
I'm laughing at the guy. I'm not actually laughing at the baby. I'm laughing at his teeth.
No, it's the one after. Okay, Freddie, you laughed. No, look, just... Okay, just restart. Okay, so
we're restarting.
Okay, no, that didn't count. I'm winning... It's no, fine. No, it's the one after this that gets you.
I haven't laughed.
You just did like 5 seconds.
Straight face.
You've got to actually laugh. You've got to laugh. You're allowed to grin. You're allowed to smile, okay?
Okay, man.
This is the one. This is the one that gets you. Okay, I think we saw that one. Well, Freddie didn't, but like we're just gonna say that. Okay, so that was just a warm up. No, that was just a warm up. Okay, that was just a warm up. So we're gonna do best of 3. So you got to get 2 points. At the moment, it's 0-0. So
no.
No, don't look. I'll play them.
Okay.
I'm gonna win. Yeah, I'm gonna win. What? I'm gonna win. Okay, guys, he will probably laugh at this. Just so I'm gonna win. Everyone laughs at that. You're not gonna win. That's just like. Okay. Ready?
Good jam.
Okay, you laughed. You laughed.
I'm still winning.
No, okay, so you're losing 1-0. So I've just got to get one more.
He's not funny though. That's the thing.
Then why did you laugh?
I'm just laughing.
You laughed.
I'm just laughing. I don't know why.
You laughed.
Fine, we'll do another one. This is the if I lose in this round, he wins.
Yeah.
Just get ready.
It's the funniest one. I'm gonna win. Ready? Wait, it's just.
That's against the law. You're coming with me. Can't touch me. Can't touch me.
Hey, I know what'll cheer you up.
Just like the bad guy from Lethal Weapon 2. I've got diplomatic immunity. So, hey, man, you can't sue. I can write graffiti.
He's really fat.
Okay, fine, you won.
I won! Yes, I told you I was going to win. I told you I was going to win.
For the final.
For the final, it's not the final because it's 2-1.
No, it's 1-1.
So, whoever wins this one...
Yeah. No, for the final, guys, for the final, we're going to put water in our mouths, so whoever laughs, it goes over the other person. So, see you in a minute. Bye. What's up, guys? We're back with the water. So, basically, Freddie's going to explain.
So we drink water, and then...
Not yet. And then when we start playing the thing, the Trying to Laugh video, whoever's laughs, they get spat on, and it's the final round.
Okay.
That's just the forfeit for today.
That's the fourth bit, okay.
Ready?
Let's go.
Ready? Wait,
It might have grass in it. Hang on, wait.
Why does it have grass?
I don't know, because we were on the grass.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Go.
3, 2, 1, go. No, I love that.
he comes back, I'm gonna throw it at him.
I heard what you said there.
Well, go on then, what did I say?
You're gonna pour it all on me.
Okay, it's fine.
Wait, what
Okay.
was the actual game? What were we meant to do?
Try not to laugh, are you dumb? So, thanks for watching. What?
I'm coming up. Don't do it. No, no, no. No.
Guys, I'll take the camera with.
No. No.
No, don't hit me. I have the water. I'm not afraid to use it. No, Freddy. No hard feelings. Okay? No, Freddy.
I'm gonna throw this at the car.
Freddy.
Move the iPad.
I got him a bit. I got you a bit. Thanks for watching. It's been your boy Leo. Like, subscribe. Peace.